In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easy way to create a ticket in ClickUp. We'll walk through a quick, clear workflow that starts in the right part of your workspace and ends with a well-documented, assignable ticket your team can act on immediately. First, open ClickUp and click into the space where this work belongs. Spaces are the high-level containers for your teams or projects, so choosing the right one keeps everything organized and visible to the right people. If you're unsure, think about where the work will be tracked long-term and pick that space. Next, select Task to start a new ticket. This is your entry point for capturing the work. A new task window will open, and this is where you set the foundation. Type a clear, relevant task name or command. Aim for something specific and action-oriented so it's easy to scan later. Just below, add a description. This is your chance to give context, what needs to be done, why it matters, any links or assets people will need, and any constraints or notes. The more clarity you provide here, the fewer follow-up questions you'll get and the faster your team can move. At this point, you've essentially created a ticket. ClickUp will save as you go, and you already have a place where the work can be discussed and tracked. But let's make it even more useful. Expand the description if needed and add details that prevent confusion, like a brief summary, expected outcome, and any definitions of done your team expects. Consistent formatting here pays off when multiple people touch the task over time. Now, customize the ticket with Create New Field. Custom fields let you tailor the task to your team's workflow, making key information visible at a glance. You can choose from several field types depending on what you track. For this example, select the People field. This is helpful for assigning responsibility, identifying stakeholders, or adding collaborators who need to stay in the loop. Start typing the teammate's name and select the correct person from the list so updates and notifications reach the right audience. Click Create to add that custom field to your task. You'll see it appear instantly, and you can reuse it across similar tickets in this space to keep your process consistent. Finally, click Create Task to confirm everything and add the ticket to your list. You now have a clear, organized ticket in the right space, with context in the description and a custom People field to streamline ownership. That's how you create a ticket in ClickUp, quick and easy. If this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more practical tutorials.